Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, where we explore the depths of our minds and hearts to cultivate inner peace and harmony. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of cultivating inner peace, techniques for inner voice harmony. So, grab a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. 1. Acknowledging inner turmoil. We all experience inner turmoil at times. That voice within that fills us with doubt, fear, or self-criticism. The first step towards inner peace is acknowledging the existence of this voice and understanding that it's a part of being human. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. It's okay to not be perfect. 2. Practicing mindful awareness. Mindful awareness is a powerful tool to create harmony within ourselves. Take a moment each day to simply observe your thoughts without judgment. Acknowledge them, but don't let them define you. By observing our thoughts, we can begin to untangle ourselves from their negative grip. 3. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a game changer when it comes to inner peace. Let's start a daily gratitude practice together. At the beginning or end of each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you're thankful for. It could be as simple as the sun shining or the warmth of a hug. Embracing gratitude will shift your perspective and bring more peace into your life. 4. Embracing self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself. Embrace self-compassion like you would comfort a dear friend going through a tough time. When your inner voice becomes harsh, remind yourself that you are worthy of love and kindness, no matter your flaws or past mistakes. Treat yourself with the same understanding and care you'd offer to others. 5. Cultivating inner joy. Inner peace thrives when we nurture our inner joy. Engage in activities that bring you happiness, whether it's painting, dancing, hiking, or spending time with loved ones. Allow yourself to experience the joy of being present in those moments and cherish the memories they create. As we wrap up today's episode, I want you to remember that cultivating inner peace and harmony is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every small step you take. Let's continue to work on our inner voice harmony, knowing that we deserve a life filled with peace, joy, and self-love. If you found value in today's talk, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who might need this pep talk too. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.